Hi, if you want to enter or exit safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then follow these steps. And firstly, we just need to swipe 2 times from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. Here, select this power button, which will lead us to this power off menu. So at this point, we will need to hold this power off option. Do not tap it, do not press it, just simply hold it like that, and you will see this safe mode feature. So you need to tap again to restart your phone in safe mode. But notice that downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So if you want to enable it, just select it and your phone will turn off and then turn on within a couple of seconds. So let's wait a couple of seconds till we see the Samsung logo and till the phone will turn on again. Great, now the phone is on and we can see that it is in a safe mode. You can see this information on the left side on the bottom of your phone, and you can also notice that several apps are disabled here. So to exit this mode, we would need to swipe 2 times again, like that, and here tap this power button and choose this restart option. So this will restart your phone and it will go back to normal mode. Just wait a couple of seconds till it will turn on again and you will be able to use it, restart it without safe mode, just like you would normally do. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.